come here. This one beautiful insect that I want to show with you. Come here. This is a beautiful insect. If you touch it, it will make a round shape of itself to protect itself. It's a beautiful. Let me touch it. See, it goes round. It protects itself. Beautiful. And if you keep it in the ground, it will open itself. See? Hmm? Kunyang. Kunyang pelun.
Oh, no, dia nak kunyang pelun.
Sim. Punya apa ya?
Ini punya.